Assalamu alaikum. Just now starting. Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to live stream. Today we are gonna break down one of the most important events in global finance, the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. If you are trader or beginner, forex, gold, crypto, stocks, this is the must know the topic, because the Fed does not just move the economy, US economy, it moves the entire world market. So first of all, we have to understand the what is Fed. So who are the trader or experienced trader, regular trader? Already they knows what is the federal interest rate and what is the Fed. Fed is the Federal Reserve, the central bank of the USA. They are taking the decision of interest rate and keeps the control, how to control the interest rate and how to keep the stable the economy of USA. So the Federal Bank is the financial brain of America, because they are controlling interest rate, inflation, money supply, and economic stability. Whenever you see like rate hike or rate cut, this is the Fed. Why is this important for trader? Because market moves very fast in that time. In a short period of time, market moves trillions. So it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, because 80% traders they use in the entire world, they're trading in the US dollar. So that's why US dollar is the most important in that time for moving the pairs. How moving the pair, either crypto pair, either gold, stocks, Nasdaq, whatever you do trade, you can see the movement in that time. So interest rate is basically the price of money. So when the Fed changes interest rate, they are changing how expensive or cheap money becomes. It rates go up, borrowings get harder. It rates go down, borrowing becomes easier. So why does the Fed change interest rate? Because keep inflation under control. So for controlling the inflation of the USA, they are changing their interest rate and they are cutting their interest rate. If the economy is slowing, they cut the interest rates. So even decision is designed to balance stability and the growth of the USA economy. So when the Fed raises interest rate, so what's going to happen? So already you know these topics, because that time US dollar usually gets stronger and it will pump, it will go up. And what will happen? It will be against of the US dollar. With the USD pair like gold often falls, stock can drops, crypto becomes volatile, it can drop, and movement is so fast. Borrowing becomes expensive, consumer spend less, companies invest less. So basically a rate hike slows down the economy. So example, USD JPY usually raises and gold often drops. So Bitcoin sometimes dump due to the risks of mood. Use the movement to explain real-time chart movement if live is there. So I'm gonna show later, after explaining what is interest rate and how it can move the market, then I will show the movement of the DXY index and what's going to happen in the gold and crypto market as well. So we have to finish these things. And if interest rate cuts affect the market, so what will happen? So borrowing becomes cheaper, the dollar may weaken. That means dollar will go the weak, and that time if dollar is weak, so what will be happen? So gold will go up, crypto may be pump, stocks usually gain, investor take more risks. So rate cuts are like giving more oxygen of the economy. So example, Euro USD or USD JPY. So this is the first pair of Euro or second pair of USD JPY. So if you don't know this policy, we have one strategy. We follow the strategy during the news time. So how you can trade and which pair you can trade. So this is the first pair, second pair. If you don't know, if you're a beginner, so you can join our Telegram community. We'll teach you step by step, basic to intermediate to advanced level, and every day we are sharing the market updates. If you don't know how to join, so on the screen you can see the QR code of the L Bank Wealth community. So this is the Telegram channel QR code. You can scan the QR code, or you can go to the description box. So we have mentioned the description box in the Telegram channel link. So you can find the link and you click on that link and you can join. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe the YouTube channel. So if you do comment, so later when I'm free, so I'm gonna share some ideas based on your comment, right? So and you will get more update about the market information, crypto, gold, stocks market. So if you subscribe the channel, you will get the notification once we will go live streaming, or when we will post any educational video, so you can watch and you can learn something from this YouTube channel. So please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to join our Telegram community. So now, why every trader must follow Fed decision? Because if you want to trade Forex, the Fed controls the dollar, correct? If you want to trade gold, the Fed controls the dollar strength and inflation. If you trade crypto, liquidity depends on the Fed. If you trade stocks, interest rate decide market direction. So many reasons are there. You have to follow the interest rate decision, you watch their meeting, and what are the signal they are providing, because instant news is coming. After that, after 30 minutes, the federal chairman Powell, he started the speech. So that time he is talking about the US economy, US job, so US inflation. So lots of things he is describing one by one. So that time market can move so fast and so much volatile. So we have to find the good opportunity. We have to find the entry zone and exit zone in a safer way. So if you want to trade in the news during news time, so it's a little bit risky, but if you know the process, so it will be more easier than like a beginner. So that's why we are expecting you should join our Telegram community, right? So all right, traders, the warp of the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. If you learned something today, remember this: the Fed is the heart of the financial system, and understanding the Fed means understanding the market. So if you don't understand the what is Fed, what is interest rate decision, that means you does not know the market. So say for example, if you can ask me, I'm a beginner. When I was in beginner, so same, I was like you. So market is moving so fast, we don't know what is interest rate, what is CPI, what is NFP, what gonna happen in initial jobless claim, right? So many fundamental news are coming. So that time I was blind. So my god, market how is moving, how is going so fast, how is going down, going up, right? So this is the thing. So you have to learn. So learn fast. You have to learn the basic, you have to learn the intermediate, you have to grow step by step. You have to build your trading plan. You have to build your own strategy. You have to stick on your strategy, so then you can sustain in the market. So that's why we are providing everyday market analysis, and we are doing live streaming, we are doing live trade as well. So you wanna get lots of information by throwing our YouTube channel and Telegram and TikTok as well. So you should follow our all Telegram channel link, sorry, Telegram channel, TikTok, and we have X, Twitter also. So you can follow our Twitter channel. I'm in LinkedIn, so you can search in LinkedIn. My name is Mohammad Ghulam Rabbani, MD Ghulam Rabbani. You can search in LinkedIn. So I am trainer and technical analyst. I'm also trader. So I'm giving analysis. I'm providing the analysis to following the buying zone and entry zone, how you can trade, how you can maintain the risks, how you can follow the guidelines, you can do trade in the future, spot, whatever you want. But in our L bank, okay, I am coming later this topic. So whether you are trading gold, forex, the Fed decision will always guide the market direction. So thank you joining the live streaming. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and trade safe. So now I'm gonna share about this gold. In gold can change the price. Gold can move the markets. How it can be worked. So I will share the analysis. And now I will start the analysis of the gold. So already I draw this chart here, you can see here. So this is the support area, trend line support, and this is the resistance. So what happened every time they are manipulating some area and again going up, again going down. So this area is very critical area for me. So last 2 weeks, I think critical zone. Every zone is very critical. So we have to find the way, we have to find the good opportunity, correct? So okay, let me finish this thing, then I'll start. Sorry, not this one. Investing.com. Yeah, this one. So which time is the federal interest rate basically? So tools, economic calendar. So this is the today's news. So FOMC interest rate decision is Dubai time. Okay, based on your time zone, you can change the things. So so this is the 11 p.m. So 11 p.m. This is not 10 p.m. I did mistake, so it will be 11 p.m. in Dubai time, and I don't know about your time. You can change the GMT, so you can find the zone from that investing.com or the Forex Factory. You can find this economic calendar. So this is the time. So what is the federal rate interest rate? 4% it was previous, so already forecast is 3.75%. That means already they are decided 0.25% is deducting, but it will deduct more. 0.25% means total 0.5. It is not in confirmed till now, but 95% the big bank they are expecting, so they are deducting this 3.75. So that means if it is 3.75, that means already they have decreased the interest rate, right? So let's see, we can see this. Yeah, it was the forecast 4 and actual was, so before also same thing, previous was 4.25%, and the forecast was last month it was a forecast 4%. So that means actual also same, so that means there is no change. So they already decided to 0.25%. So same thing it's gonna happen today. So we don't know, already 0.25% they deducted because of based on the forecast, but we don't know it will deduct like 0.5%. That means actual will be 3.5%, right? So this is not confirmed yet. So that's why we have to watch this news time. We have to watch the interest rate decision. We have to watch their press conference also is there. After 30 minutes, the FOMC press conference will be start. So this is the key topics of today's overall market. So we have to find the zone, how we can trade, how we can use. So what types of tools you are using? You are using the indicator, you are doing the scalping, you are doing the swing trade, you are doing the daily trading. So based in your strategy, you have to find the zone, and we have to wait for this opportunity, because price if does not reach to your zone, or if it has not break out or something, so how you can do trade unnecessary with imagination if we do trade. So it is a big problem for everyone. So now let's start to the topic. So okay, this is EMA. I want to move. So okay, this one Bollinger Band. First, I want to start from the Bollinger Band. So Bollinger Band of the daily time frame. I want to see the daily time frame of Bollinger Band because of their movement. I want to see how volatility can be happen right in the during news time. So this is the I was thinking, so okay, this is the support area. This is also the monthly support zone, 4150. This is also 1450. So it's showing the middle of the this area, so you can expect this is the support level. So if this area breaks, so it can go down is 4380. It is the next support area, right? So and market, it can move the 4275, okay, based on the Bollinger Band. So if you use, it's up to you. If you don't use, it's up to you. But why I am checking this one to understand the, okay, the today's market volatility of the daily time frame. If we wanna move the weekly time frame, so it will show the bigger area. So I don't want, because based on that today's high impact news, I am checking this is the support and this is the resistance area of this. Forget about this one. So what is this? So this is the zone we can find this area. So 4275.6. So it will be the Bollinger Band normal area, but it can move up. So that means it is the what is called overbought area, right? So if it's come until here, so we can get the, at least we can get the selling opportunity. So this is the liquidity zone also in the 4-hour time frame. So after breaking this zone, so market drop from here also. So I think this is the good entry. It can be good entry zone based on our daily time frame, and for our, if price is come this level, so we can get the sell opportunity. But how many pips we can expect the take profit area, or this take profit area, or the stop loss area? So that's why I'm moving into this 1-hour time frame to see this previous high records. Okay, so once it's down, so after that it went back. This is the pullback. So and it was the same 4275 in touch, and then it dropped. So I'm thinking, so if it's come here, so we can put the stop loss. Let's go the 30 minutes time frame, then we can see the another candle to check the liquidity area and the stop loss area. So if stop loss area, if we, because it's too much volatility market, so we have to put the stop loss little bit higher. Otherwise we have to move the time 5 minutes time frame. If we see the any reversal candle in the in this area, so we can take the entry and put stop loss above the previous high, or this above this candle. So it depends on the which time frame you are using, or which time frame you are what types of trade you are doing. So for me, so if I want to sell here 70, so my stop loss will be 81 max, 81 60 pips. So 60 pips will be the stop loss. So okay, 60 pips means is 60 pips means 81.390. So 81.390 will be the stop loss from this liquidity area. So now this is your decision, how many pips you want to take risk. So it's up to you. So because if it's went off there, and after that it can move until here, this is the nearest support area. So this is the support, 30-minute support. We can see here, this is the 30-minute support. Next support is here, already I drawn, and this is the another support. So if support has not break out, so maybe it will go up more, right? So but we cannot care about these things, because we want to do the scalping 100 pips, or we can do one thing, 60 pips stop loss. So that means 1:1, 60 pips take profit. Then we can move the stop loss, and we can hold 50%, and we can close the 50%. So that means we are getting so many information. So let's okay, so now we can see. So now if I want to sell here this area 74, so that means I want to okay, I want to move this one until here. Yes, otherwise it's little bit problem. Stop loss will be so much high. So my, what I told, stop loss will be 81, Yeah, so that means 60 pips will be my stop loss. So then take profit if I keep here, this is the previous low, this level. So 4 to this area. Okay, so how many pips? 60 pips. Okay, I have to move this SL 60 pips. Yeah, 63 pips. Okay, no problem. 63 pips. So 1 is to 2 means 126 pips, and 30% means 180 pips. So I can put this stop take profit area 180 pips means like, yeah, 200, so 900, yes, 188. So based on the which area we are getting the selling opportunity, so then we can put their stop loss, or and you can put the risk and reward ratio like this way, right? So after that we cannot do trade. So again, if it's fall here, if we see the okay market move here this way, right, so this way, then and drop here, so we can see the again another candle is breaking this way, so we can get the sell opportunity, so until here or this level. So this is the way so market can gonna move today. So like you see, if we draw this so this is the resistance. So if we want to draw this line, so how, okay, see like this. So what's gonna happen? So market will come this area again. So if it's break this area, so then again we can get the selling opportunity. So here like this way until this area again. Otherwise, another movement if interest rate is cutting 0.25 and another cutting 0.25, so all together 0.5%. So that means the scenario will be different. So market can go this area, so then again it will come back for the retesting this zone. So again we see this another 15 minutes candle to the bullish, so you can continue buy. So maybe it will go this area, it will come like this way. So what is gonna happen? So it's based on our news uh, direction. So we have to wait until 11 p.m. so we can see how gonna moves the market today. So don't forget to watch this market before taking your entry. So 15 minutes time frame, so you can see here, right? So already we rejected this area. See, this rejection is here, right? So previous support is at lower time frame support at breakout this area. So if it is holding, so what, so maybe it will continue pushing up until this area like this. So what about the 30 minutes candle? Yeah, 30 minutes candle is also still is going up. So now this is the nearest another support area in the lower time frame. So this is another support area in the lower time frame. So because it's dropped so much, so it's come here. So we can do one thing after breakout in a bullish candle. So we can keep on buying based on our trading strategy. Again and again I am saying the same story of traders, because I know the different mindset, we have the different mindset, we have different trading strategy. That is the reason I am telling again and again the what is your trading strategy, what types of trader you are, we don't know, right? So now coming to the, if news is positive, then what gonna happen? So okay, so instantly how you can buy, you can sell. So now is only 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. Yeah, 4 p.m. So that means 4 and 7, 4, 11, 7 hours is remaining. We don't know where gonna move the market in this 7 hour, right? So we don't know, maybe it will come break down this area, so it can go down, right? So before news, maybe it will come here. So definitely if it's come here, so we can get the buying opportunity easily, buying strong buying zone, there is no reason. So okay, we can get that 300 pips easily, we can get 300 pips. So here 50 buy and This is the 75 or 80. So 200 pips, 200, 300 pips, we can get the take profit easily. So but we don't have right now any good confirmation for buying or selling. See, this one is the 1 hour time frame, so there is no confirmation as well also. See, this market, how critical is the market? How you can trade this area? One time is going up, one time going down, one time going up. So if you see, if you have some strategy, you will get very few trades in a proper way, right? So today morning, what we did, so today morning we put the sell order here. This one is the sale, we put sell here, and stop loss is 4019, 4219, and take profit. First TP was there 4200 and second TP was 4190. So all TP already hit, and we do some scalping also. We did some scalping in different things. So if anyone is buy here 88, so he got already 90. So 90 pips or 80 pips already done. Yeah. So better to wait for the good confirmation. So you have to wait until news, during news. So 7 hour you can relax, and you can trade in this news time as well. So you can see here there is no clean zone, there is no clean zone. Okay, let me show you another one thing. Okay, so this is the how market is moving. Okay. So go to the candle chart. Okay, candle chart. This one is the chart. Move all these things. I want to move all. I want to move all. This one also remove. Okay. All this one also remove. This one remove, all remove, because previous strategy it was in the lower time frame.